The 2027 Lexus GX550 AWD is here, and it's taking luxury off-road SUVs to a whole new level. Combining rugged capability, premium comfort, and advanced technology, this latest GX proves that you no longer have to choose between adventure and luxury. Whether you're navigating city streets, heading out on a family road trip, or exploring rough trails far from civilization, the GX550 AWD is designed to handle it all with confidence and style. At first glance, the 2027 GX550 commands attention with its bold and muscular appearance. Lexus has refined the SUV's design with sharper body lines, an aggressive front fascia, and an even more prominent spindle grille. Slim LED headlights give the front end a modern and sophisticated look, while the wide stance enhances its powerful road presence. Large alloy wheels, rugged fender flares, and functional skid plates emphasize the vehicle's off-road DNA. Around the rear, sleek LED taillights and a clean tailgate design complete the premium yet adventurous aesthetic. Every angle of the GX550 communicates strength, luxury, and capability. Step inside and you're welcomed by a cabin that perfectly balances comfort and functionality. High-quality materials cover nearly every surface, including soft, touched leather, genuine wood accents, and premium metal finishes. The spacious interior offers excellent seating for passengers, with generous headroom and legroom throughout. The front seats are supportive and available with heating, ventilation, and multiple adjustment settings for maximum comfort on long journeys. The second row provides plenty of space for adults, while the available third row adds extra versatility for larger families. Technology plays a major role in the GX550 experience. A large touchscreen infotainment system sits at the center of the dashboard, providing easy access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard, allowing seamless smartphone integration. Multiple USB ports, wireless charging, and premium audio options ensure everyone stays connected and entertained. The digital instrument cluster provides clear driving information, while advanced driver assistance features help make every trip safer and more relaxing. Under the hood, the 2027 Lexus GX550 AWD delivers impressive performance. Power comes from a twin turbocharged V6 engine that produces strong horsepower and torque, giving the SUV plenty of muscle for both highway cruising and off-road adventures. The engine is paired with a smooth, shifting automatic transmission that provides responsive acceleration and refined driving dynamics. Thanks to its full-time all-wheel drive system, the GX550 maintains excellent traction across a variety of road conditions, including rain, snow, dirt, and rocky terrain. One of the GX550's greatest strengths is its off-road capability. Lexus has equipped the SUV with advanced terrain management systems, selectable drive modes, and sophisticated suspension technology designed to tackle challenging environments. Whether you're climbing steep hills, crossing uneven trails, or navigating loose surfaces, the GX550 inspires confidence behind the wheel. Despite its rugged nature, it remains remarkably comfortable and quiet on paved roads, making it an excellent daily driver as well. Safety remains a top priority for Lexus. The latest suite of driver assistance technologies includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and more. These features work together to help protect occupants and reduce driver fatigue during long journeys. As for pricing, the 2027 Lexus GX550 AWD is expected to start at around $68,000 in the United States, with higher trims and optional packages pushing the price well above $80,000. While it may not be the cheapest luxury SUV in its segment, it offers a unique combination of premium craftsmanship, proven reliability, advanced technology, and genuine off-road capability that few competitors can match. The 2027 Lexus GX550 AWD is more than just a luxury SUV. It's a vehicle built for those who want comfort, performance, and adventure in one impressive package. If you're looking for an SUV that can confidently handle both everyday life and extraordinary journeys, the new GX550 AWD deserves a place at the top of your list.